Lissy, I have chicken. I have chicken. Lissy, it's a baby. Be gentle. Lissy. Lissy, I got chicken. I got chicken. It was pretty funny. Lissy, I have chicken. Lissy, come here. Want chicken? Come here. Let's get you some chicken. Come here. Hey, come over here. You leave. Lissy, girl. Come over here. You want chicken? You want chicken? Leave that cat alone. Come here. Come on. Lissy, will you leave the cat alone? George, do me a favor and yell at the dog. Come here and get some chicken. Get over here and leave that cat alone.